The Find and Replace feature in Excel is a powerful tool that helps you quickly locate specific text or values within your spreadsheet and replace them with new text or values. This functionality is especially useful when you have a large data set, or if you're correcting errors or updating information, making bulk changes. So let's take a look. So we have our data right here, but we might notice that every time we see billboards, we need to change that just because we don't like how that sounds. So the first thing we do is on the Home tab, over in the editing section, is Find and Select. So if we click on that, we have Find. So I'm going to click on Find and it opens up a window. So I'm going to find billboards. We type in what we're looking for and we do Find Next. And it's going to show us, oh, there's one billboards, and Find Next. There's billboards. There's billboards. So it looks like there was just 3 of them. Now, if you notice in the same Find and Replace, there's also a tab up here called Replace. So if I click on it, now I have another Replace billboards with, I'm going to say poster, right? So I can say replace this one or replace all. So now if I do replace all, it's going to replace all of the billboards in here with poster. All done. They made 3 replacements. Whenever we're done with our find and replace, we can close. So we've replaced that word inside of here, but it works for other cells and data figures as well. If you're just looking to find it, or if you're looking to replace it.